Hello guys, my name is Michael Efakis and this is my presentation for the impact of immersive storytelling on audience engagement. So let's move on and see the contents. First of all, we're gonna see what is storytelling and how we can define storytelling. And then we will move on with the immersive storytelling and experiences and how the use of virtual reality and the use of augmented reality can help to achieve storytelling. Furthermore, we will see potential drawbacks or challenges that may exist in immersive storytelling. And last but not least, we'll see our conclusion and the references. To begin with, let's start and define what is storytelling. So, what is storytelling? Storytelling is the interactive art of using words and actions to reveal the elements and images of a story while encouraging the listener's imagination. To move on, let's see what are the features of storytelling. It is my firm belief that first and foremost, the most important part is the plot, that because the plot includes exposition, rising action, falling action maybe, and resolution, and it provides a framework that guides the audience through the narrative, creating tension and release. Secondly, we have the setting. Setting is something uh, of major importance, and we have to speak about time and place. We need to mention and make clear the location in which the story unfolds, and this provides context and immerse the audience in the story world. Moving on, in the number three, we have the conflict, otherwise can be internal or external. Internal conflict within characters and external conflict with other characters or forces. This can drive the plot and character development and create tension and interest. The narrative perspective, it is actually our point of view. It influences how the story is experienced and how much information is revealed to the audience. Moving on to the number 5, we have the emotional appeal. Storytelling creates moments that evoke strong emotions such as joy, fear, or excitement. This deepens the audience connection to the story and characters. Moving on, I can say that storytelling is a unique way of content production and a unique cultural management concept. Let's go to the next slide. Let's see actually what is immersive storytelling. Immersive storytelling involves the use of technology like the virtual reality, and it immerses the audience in a 360-degree narrative. Moving on, let's see immersive storytelling experiences. To begin with, we have the escape room, that is these physical adventure games that place participants in a theme room where they must solve puzzles and find clues in order to escape. And the immersive environments and storyline driven puzzles create a sense of urgency and engagement. Moving on, we have augmented reality games such as Pokemon Go, and this game blends the real world with the virtual, encouraging players to explore their surroundings to capture virtual creatures. The AR component makes the experience feel like a treasure hunt in the real world, significantly increasing players' engagement. And this is one of my favorite is immersive exhibitions. And one of the great examples I can give you is um, the immersive experience in London, that is a 360 digital art exhibit that invites you to step into the universe of the Dutch genius Vincent van Gogh. This digital art exhibition uses 360-degree projections and VR to bring Vincent van Gogh paintings to life. Visitors can walk through and interact with animated versions of his work, creating a deeper connection to the art. Moving on, let's see how the use of virtual reality can help in the storytelling. First of all, I would like to see the first person perspective, and more specifically in VR games that they tend to put players in the protagonist's shoes, allowing them to experience the story from a first person viewpoint. This perspective fosters a deeper emotional connection and personal investment in the storyline. Furthermore, interactive environments like Spatial let users to interact with physical objects and environments that match the virtual setting interactivity and makes the experience more engaging, as users feel their actions have a direct impact on the narrative. Moving on, let's see now the use of augmented reality, and more specifically, let's see story driven games. AR games can incorporate narrative elements, turning real world environments into the backdrop for interactive storytelling adventures. And story driven game can keep users engaged through challenges, rewards, and interactive story progression. Moving on with the treasure hunt and quest, this is something that makes user embark on augmented reality based quests or treasure hunts where they uncover story elements and solve puzzles in their real environment. These activities promotes exploration and active participation, making the narrative more engaging and fun. Let's see now some of the potential drawbacks or challenges. And to begin with, I would like to mention that the high production cost and the development time is something of a major importance. Creating high quality immersive content can be expensive and time consuming, requiring significant investment in technology and expertise. This can limit the number of immersive projects that can be undertaken, particularly for smaller studios or independent creators. Moving on, in the number two, we have social isolation. Social isolation is also a crucial factor in immersive storytelling, and many immersive experiences, particularly virtual reality, are designed for single users, potentially isolating them from social interaction. This isolation can reduce the social aspect of shared storytelling experiences, which is a key element of traditional media. And last but not least, while some platforms offer social virtual reality or shared augmented reality experiences, these interactions can still feel less natural compared to the real life social interactions. Moving on, in the number three, we have content and experience design. Highly interactive and complex immersive experiences can overwhelm users, especially if the interface is not intuitive. Complicated interactions can lead to frustration and disengagement. The challenge here is ensuring high quality and consistent content across different platforms like virtual reality, augmented reality, or mixed reality can be difficult. Let's see now our conclusions through the. Moving on with the slide that I have for conclusions, we have to say that despite challenges like accessibility and technical barriers, the potential for deeper emotional connections, personalized experiences, and enhanced educational opportunities is significant. By offering richer uh, and more engaging narratives, immersive storytelling not only captivates audiences but also redefines how stories are told and experienced in the digital age. Here you can see in the last slide the references, the text I have read, and you can use it as well for free. Thanks a lot for your attention and see you in the next video.